You see it? Better, you can walk up closer. Yeah, he's moving.
They're having 400 babies every 3 weeks. They know out of those 400, in the best conditions, 5.
Look at those two.
And as
Yeah.
apex predators, nothing eats them.
Yeah, look at them. Follow them. Go over and talk to them. Circle, look at that. Wow. Hi there. Is there a certain time to pet them, or you can do it now?
You guys are free to pet them. It's just a 2-3 test for our big guys.
Okay. Okay, there's one. Oh my goodness, look how close he
They'll come up
is.
the wall every now and then just to kind of see what's going on.
He'll come this way. Stay on your stool.
And then at whatever time it is right now.
Oh, here comes
At
one.
3
Look.
p.m. we're going to do a
Look.
feeding as well.
Oh, that's the baby.
Yeah, he's only 10 months old. His name's Murphy. He's
Okay,
actually
here
born
comes a big one.
That one is Poseidon on the bottom. And then we got Chips and
She
Queso.
said, "Ooh, no." Yeah, look at the baby. Boy, they really do come up and say hello,
They're
huh?
very, we like to say like they're sociable.
And what time do they get fed?
So we just had one at 1 p.m. and then we're also going to do a feeding at 3 p.m. where we walk around. With
Yep,
food,
look,
talk
look,
about
Avion,
it.
look, he's right up there by you. Oh gosh, he almost looks like he's gonna bite.
So that front part is actually kind of more relative to their nose.
Okay.
It's where they kind of hold this sense that's called the ampullae de Lorenzini. It's a bunch of scientific looking.
Okay.
But basically it's kind of like acts like their nose. And
What is that? That looks like that's some kind of fish under there. Point to him.
Hi. I just want to see the island. What is it here?
Yeah, I don't know that we have alligators, but look at the turtles. Do you see him moving his flipper?
Wow.
Yeah, there's another one by himself.
Turtles.
Hi, you like turtles too?
You can go up there and sit on the floor next to the little girl.
Little carpet if you want.
Yeah, go sit on the carpet.
So Alfred is red-shouldered hawk. Personally, I think they should be called red-chested hawk because he's definitely got more of a red chest. He's been with us since 2016, so he's either 9 or 10 years old. When Alfred was a fledgling, he was attacked in his nest, and he either jumped out or was knocked out. We believe all the other his siblings were killed by whatever was attacking. So when he came to us, he had an injured ring, an injured leg, and also an injured eye. His right foot healed. You can see a little bit with his right wing. It's a little different than his left wing, but the key thing is he's blind in his right eye. So as a result of that, he can't be released because he wouldn't be able to protect himself in the wild. And now, interesting tidbit is, most of our gloves, actually all our gloves here, are left-handed gloves, because when we put the bird on the glove, you have to hook them up. So it's easy, most people are righty, so use your dominant hand to hook them up. Alfred was horrible on the left glove. For the first 7 7 years he was here, he was never used in a presentation, he was never taken out, because he would do what's called baiting. He might bait today if he gets startled. And baiting is when he tries to fly away. That's why I have the straps to him, and that's why he's attached to me. So, but he would bait constantly, and it wasn't his eyes that were sitting there not paying attention. So he's an opportunistic, bird hunter. He will also eat small rodents, small animals, like squirrels, rabbits. No? So, now, so here the cool thing is with the raptors, there's two types of hunters. I call it the stealthy versus the speedy. The owls are the stealthy, with a great horned owl. Listen carefully. You can't hear it. An owl would theoretically fly over your head, and you would not know. You might have felt he had wings. Now, this is one feather from a bald eagle. Cool. He's like, I'm going to just fix them. So it's like when we fix our pants. That's all he's doing. So when you can hear pizza, when you can hear this, so they use speed, whereas owls use stealthiness and sneak up on us. Pizza! Okay, I got you on now. Yeah, that's it. So now, how fast does he go? 30? 100, higher than 100.
Really?
He tops out at about 125.
Wow.
So that's the key thing. So now if you go look at our peregrine falcon, 240 miles an hour. So here, but what happens is when he's going super fast, he has to use his wings as a braking system. If they're compromised, he's not going to be able to.
Yep, he's eating the lettuce. Look at him. Over here, this one. That's the one that's eating. See, he's got the lettuce in his mouth? Yep.
Those are birds.
You see him up there? He's big. Yeah, he's huge. I don't see anybody in there. Let's see anybody over here. Yeah, the clouds have moved in. Temperature's dropping. Yeah, it's getting cool. It's getting windy. Cool and windy. I'm behind you. I'm behind you. That's probably far enough because I can't climb all that jagged, that's too it's not level for me. Yeah, come back this way. Yeah, there we are. All right.
I want to play ball.
What's your name? Edward? Edward, that's cool. That's Avion. Oh, that was a good kick. She said, ta-da!